Hello everybody, welcome. Now, another Fakeaway takeaway. Yeah, it's not Wednesday, it's Thursday. Because yesterday I done an unboxing live on my channel, some meat. So today we're going to be doing, what is it? I forgot. A hot Madras. I'm going to be using Mr. Marinade seasonings he sent me. I'm going to try them out. Quite simple by the look of the instructions. So let's find out what it's like. Okay, this is everything I've got. That's virtually it. Apart from some rice, which I've already pre-done with rice anyway. Just follow your packet instructions. I've got 2 chicken breasts, which I've just diced up, which was from Muscle Foods. And I've got 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of ginger, and 1 large onion. And then you've got your spice mix. Which we'll have a look at in a minute anyway. First things I want to do is I want to get my onions, my garlic and my ginger. I want to get it pureed together. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to get my onions in first. My ginger, you can use squeezy ginger and that, can't you? I'm going to use this because I've got it in. And garlic, you can squeeze the garlic if you want. And we're just going to blitz that, nice and simple. There we go. It's going to be a bit loud. Have a look. I'll give it a scrape. Give it a scrape, let's have a look. I think that will do us. Right, over to the pan. Okay, I've got my pan heating up. I'm just going to put a little drop of oil in. Or ghee or whatever I suppose you use, but I ain't got no ghee, I'm using olive oil. Your onions and your garlic and your chilli and your ginger, we'll fry all that mix up just for a couple of minutes. We get all them flavours coming out of the chilli and I keep saying chilli, don't I? Out of the ginger and the garlic. Like that'll about do us. And we'll get the diced chicken in. I'm going to put that in for just till it starts, you know, changing colour. And while that's doing, turn that down now, it's about medium. Get it all coated up. Maybe a little drop more oil in there. Don't want nothing burning. That's it. And while that's browning off, we will do the spicy Miller's curry hot Madras mix with tomato, onion and coriander. A rich and spicy flavourful curry with no MSG in this one. Suitable for vegetarians, freeze and thaw, stable without separating. Perfect for batch cooking or freezing. Right, to make, well there's the ingredients if you want to see them first. You can all make your own stuff, can't you, with coriander, turmeric and all that stuff. But I thought we'd try this. To make 400ml of curry, add 100 gram of mix, 7 each dessert spoons or 150ml into 75ml of cold water. Mix thoroughly until the powder has dissolved. Top up to 400ml with boiling water. Right, I'll get the kettle on then. Okay, I've got 75ml of cold water. Let's open this mix now and let's have a look. Is this one going to be spicy? I mean, it says hot, doesn't it? So, Madras is supposed to be spicy. We'll find out if I can open it. Come on, get it open. There, oh no, I've ripped the package in. I'll rip the package in. Get the scissors. Right, cut it off, cut the top off. There it is. Oh yeah, that smells. Oh, that smells very potent as well. 150 ml. Right, I'm going to use my spoon so we get it right. So I've got an 125 ml spoon, cup I mean, which is 125 ml for half a cup. One of them in. And that's a 30, so just under a full one. About that, I think. And mix into a paste. Well, mix together. I can say paste, it just says mix till smooth. So we will do that. Like so. Nice and simple, isn't it really? It's just a bit like, you know, your Mayflower ones and that, ain't it, I suppose. And then we've got to top it up with 400 ml with hot water. Okay. There we go. Give that a mix. And there's the curry sauce, and I suppose it's going to thicken up as we cook it. Smell. Oh. Yes. Right, let's put it into the chicken. Okay, there's the chicken. It's all coated now. Turn that down. Pour this in, and then we've got to bring it to the simmer while continuously stirring. So we'll keep doing that for 3 minutes. I think that's what it says anyway. Let me read it again. Yeah, bring to the simmer for 3 minutes while stirring. Or you can do it in the microwave. Oh, look, that's going straight away, look. Can you see that? Oh, I can see that, yeah. I'm going to keep stirring it because last time remember when I done that other one before and I stopped stirring. That's why I've pre-done my rice. Oh, I was going to stick some coriander on top of there, but I don't think I'm going to need to. I might do just for the look. We've got to make sure that chicken's cooked anyway, so I'm going to get a few minutes. Okay, that chicken madras is virtually done. I've just put it over there out of the way, and I'm just going to do myself some egg fried rice. And get myself some butter into my hot pan. I was going to get my wok out, but I thought, oh, I'll just use my frying pan, it's just the same. Well, not just the same, but it's good enough. We will get that butter starting to melt. It's smelling nice, that madras is. I haven't tasted it yet because I don't know what to taste till the end. No, get that high. It's on low. Get it high. Just going to get some eggs in. Going to give them a mix. You could have used a bit of oil, but I'm using butter today for your eggs. Just want to get them kind of scrambled and get them out. I always get my eggs out first. Once they're done, then get the rice in and the eggs back on top. That's how I do mine. Loads of different ways, isn't there? Just scramble it together. Get all the sides. This is really simple, this one is, with that curry powder, I tell you. Really simple. There's the eggs, I'm going to get them out. Here's my rice. I could have done with it being in the fridge, but I haven't long done it, so I'm going to get all my rice out. I'm going to fry all that up. Get rid of that excess water if there's any. Probably is a bit. Could have done with it being cold rice, but never mind. It's only warming through because it is all done. And then back in. Salt and pepper to taste if you want to. I'd already done my rice with a bit of salt, so mine should be fine. I want a bit of oyster sauce in mine. I do like a bit of oyster sauce. Nice and simple. Get it all mixed together. Put some peas in it if you want peas in it. Not for us. A bit of Worcester sauce. You want a bit of Worcester sauce in it? Get that extra bit of a taste. There we go. Done. Let's dish it all up then. Okay, egg fried rice first. Get some of that in there. There we go. Do like a bit of egg fried rice. I don't have it often, but I do like a bit of egg fried rice occasionally. And onto the Madras. There it is. It's looking lovely. I say you can probably put a bit more water in it to thinning it out a bit. But that, I do like a thick curry, and that looks bang on to me. We're going to get some of that in there. And some on the other side. There's only two of us having this, so I'm just going to fill the bowls up. Like so. I want to get all that juice. I hope Nat's going to eat this because if it's spicy. There we go. And we'll top it off with a poppadom, eh? Like so. Right, shall we get up the table and have a go? Nice and simple, that one. Made a mess of the kitchen again, as normal. I'm saying hello. My head's gone again. I haven't tried any of it yet. It looks nice. There is quite a lot there for what I made. I just filled the two up. That's dipping in. I don't know if it's going to be spicy, Bab.
Yeah, it smelled really nice upstairs. It smelled lovely when you look.
Go and have a little spoonful of your sauce to see if it's spicy.
Can I have some on this or do you want it on it, Brian?
Just have a little bit of your sauce first, just to see. Because I know you don't. It's a Madras, whether it's a hot Madras or what.
It's got a bit of a kick.
Has it got a kick?
It's not over.
It's not over.
But it's nice.
But it's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, let me have
It's got a little bit of a... Yeah, it's got a bit of a...
It's got a bit of a kick.
Yeah.
Let me show you anyway, give you a closer look.
I think it was really spicy then.
Well, the Madras is usually really spicy, yeah. But you can put chillies in it, can't you, if you want? But I just wanted to check the sauce.
No, I don't think you need chillies in this.
Don't need chillies.
No. If you like it hot,
But it does look nice. I did buy some coriander to sprinkle on top, but it's got coriander in it, look, and I don't want to overpower it. But it does look nice. There's the rice, egg fried rice.
Yeah, it's got a kick.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He's got a kick now, you're feeling it. You're sweating now. Do you want a drink?
It's not a nasty kick.
It's not a nasty kick. You sure, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
No, it's not a nasty
See
kick,
what I
he says.
mean?
No, me, I'm a wimp now, you know, when it comes to spices, isn't I? I got some naan beds, but I forgot to do them. So Nat says a good job already, because she didn't want a naan bed, did you? For that, so that's what we've had, so. There we go. Let's try this sauce. It's nice and thick, isn't it, that? Isn't it? I'm just feeling the kick now. I'm just feeling the kick.
I don't think you'd need any extra chilies.
That's, no, you wouldn't. That's fine, isn't it? That's like a medium hot.
You'd ruin it.
It's not as hot as a hot Madras, but it's like, oh, come on, it's still kicking.
The more you eat...
It's still kicking. That's lovely, isn't it, that?
Yeah.
And I say you wanted to thin it out, just add a bit more water while you're cooking it, I suppose. Mine took a bit longer than 3 minutes, because I wanted to make sure the chicken was cooked in the middle. You know, I did get one out and check it. I didn't taste it. and it wasn't quite ready, so I just left it in a few more minutes, that's all. That sauce is nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Try a bit of the chicken now. With some chicken, and try it with some rice. Oh, actually, I want to try this chicken tonight. This chicken's from Muscle Foods. Or did I call it Mr. Muscle? It's Muscle Foods anyway. I don't know if I called it Mr. Muscle.
Mr. Muscle's what you clean with?
Yeah. I can't remember.
I remember my first piece of chicken. That's nice.
That's nice, isn't it?
It's not dry.
No, it's not dry. And I did find with that chicken, if you've seen like when I was cooking it, there was no water coming out of it or no fat or anything. It was just chicken.
That's nice and chunky.
That's nice, isn't it? That is very nice.
That's what you call meat. Isn't it?
Nice bit of meat.
Very nice.
And I used two chicken breasts. And there's enough for four, wouldn't there? There'd be enough for four, wouldn't you?
Of course it would be.
Because I piled mine, I mean mine's full with chicken. Probably can't tell. So's nuts. Yeah, so that is bang on. Let's try me rice. Let's bring it down a bit so you can see. You can get, yeah. Without it falling over. Actually, let's get a bit of chicken, rice, bit of everything, eh? And we'll put it on one of them, eh? If I can get it. Bit of chutneys and that, if you all like chutneys. I ain't gonna get all that in my gob, am I? No matter how big my gob is.
Go on, get it in. It's delicious.
That is really nice, isn't it?
I really like it. Mr. Marmite.
Marmite again.
Lovely.
As I say, if you like it like medium hot, I think that's like a medium hot, isn't it? Because I like Madras hot. It's like a medium hot.
It's perfect for me.
But yeah, it's perfect for you.
Would you have it a bit hotter, would you?
No, I wouldn't. I would have that perfect. But some people say, oh, Madras is supposed to be really hot. But it's like a medium hot, isn't it? Do you want it? I think an Indian Madras hot, just stick a couple of chilies in when you're doing the chicken. Do you know what I mean? That or one chilli. That's all you probably need. But apart from that, that is absolutely delicious, isn't it? I mean, you're eating all yours, look. You're getting roiling, ain't you? Fucking roiling. Haven't even started yet, look. But what are you going to mark it, Bab? Because I'm going to eat it before it's cold.
I'm going way over 10 this time. I can't give it a mark because I'm just really enjoying it. I just really like it. I'm
10
going
plus.
above 10 plus because
10 plus.
I like the marinade and I like the chicken as well. So
Yeah.
It's delicious.
10 plus from that. Wow, that's a good one, isn't it?
10 plus from me too.
I think it's absolutely delicious as well. I'm giving it a 10.
You've gone above.
Yeah?
You've gone above like...
You've gone above. I've gone above and beyond.
Yeah.
All the, no, what it's the ingredients, and it's gone above and beyond.
you know what I mean.
Not me.
Yeah,
I've just done what it says.
Yeah, but you know what I mean. It's absolutely delicious.
10 plus from that. I'm going to get 10 as well. That's absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. So, there you go. Fakeaway, takeaway. I'm going to go eat it before August cold. Yeah. Madras. Medium hot Madras. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Bab.
Bye.
Bye.